Hey guys, welcome to yet another video. We are going to make fabric softener. So this is a very easy and simple thing to do. You have to start by boiling water, and if you're in Nairobi, make sure that the water you're using is soft water and not the hard boiled water. So these chemicals, they are sold in the shops. When you go there, where you buy the liquid soap chemicals, you'll also be able to access these ones for fabric softener. Although they are a bit expensive, 5 liters goes for 400 shillings. Sorry guys, not 8,000. So you go to start now. After the water has boiled, you will dissolve the pellets, the ones that you had seen before. You dissolve thoroughly. So at the end of this video, I learned that you have to make sure that the pellets are thoroughly dissolved before you can let it rest. So once the pellets are dissolved, then the next step is for you now to wait for this mixture to cool down. It has to cool down before you go to the next step. Now the next step, this is after it has cooled down. You see it looks like thick yogurt or porridge. So this is where I was telling you that you have to make sure that you mix thoroughly. So for this step, because I was getting a little bit tired of whisking, I used a hand blender to thoroughly mix it. You will see afterwards. So I'll just add the color. The color of my choice was purple. I'll add the color, and then after adding the color, I'll mix a little bit for the color to blend in, and then the end step is to add fabric fragrance. So the fragrance you choose, the one that you like. So for me, I chose it's a mixture of fragrances, but it smells nice. So yes, once you are done with this, you can see these are the pellets that I was telling you about. So because of this, I transferred the soap into another bucket, and I did thorough whisking using a hand blender. So yeah guys, I was getting tired, but I really like the thickness that came out using the hand blender. And then afterward, it's when I added fabric fragrance. So this is the fragrance, and this is after I have whipped with a hand blender. You can see that it is still thick and nice. So guys, you can follow these easy steps and you'll have your own fabric softener. So I'm going to let this one to settle for a bit, just to remove the air bubbles. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.